Stay on, baby. Alright guys, we are at Lake Berryessa and we're fishing this cove over here. We fished here on the bank before, but never on a kayak, so this will be a little different. Guess I should have went the other way. Man, it's already 7:30. We've been on the water for about, I don't know, 40 minutes. Haven't had a bite, but over here looks pretty fishy, so we'll see. But it might just be one of those days where, oh, this cove looks pretty awesome actually, all the way in there. But I'm gonna fish these this area over here for a little bit. Be a little shallow, but I don't know. We'll see. Come on, any fish, one fish, even a small fish. I will say the water is super calm. Oh my gosh, that was the... He will come back. What's up?
Yeah, caught a 3. I think I caught like a 3, dude.
You just caught it?
I caught like a huge ass one in this cove.
Which cove?
Told me. It was, I just kept paddling to the left and like this little super sticky cove. I'll show you in a bit. Hold on, I'm gonna see.
Yeah, hold up.
Dude, look at this.
Nice! Damn!
Big, bro. This is
Check that out, guys. Hey, hold up for the camera again. Nice.
It's hella big. Look, I'm holding it like right next to me. Look how big it is.
Yeah, I know. Nice.
Kayak.
There you go. He finally caught one. All right.
I know.
There he goes. He did it. It's a nice sized one too. There we go. Fish on. Stay on, baby. Oh! That's why we don't use freaking ultralights. Oh my gosh. Oh man. I didn't even get to see it. I had a feeling that was gonna happen. Oh, can't stay away from the ultralight. Right now we're throwing like this. Oh, a follower. Oh man. Guys, it's been a very tough day. It's already 9:25. We've been here for about 3 hours almost. And I have not caught one fish. Just lost that one back in that cove. Yeah, some banana boat. Fish on. Little one. No skunk. No skunk. That's all that matters at this point. There you go, guys. No skunk. Ooh. Sorry, buddy. Damn, I hooked him pretty bad, dude.
Huh?
I hooked him pretty like deep. There we go. I have to break it off. Little dude, but better than nothing. Alright, guys. Had to take my shoes back off and fix my foot tan. So we fished like a bunch of coves, and we're tired, but we're gonna keep going. There's some more coves out back this way, so we're gonna see what's over here. Fish on, Adrian. Nice. Dang. I'm hooking him like straight up into the... It's not that big, but I'm like hooking him like straight up into the nostrils, dude. Oh, easy release. Look, got out the fish, but hooked my freaking glove. There we go. Oh. I'm done fishing back here. You wanna start heading back to our cove? Alright folks, and that's gonna do it for our video. It's what? You can see that. About 1 o'clock almost. It's hot. We're tired. We ran out of water. Only caught like 4 fish between the two of us. I lost that big one. Well, I thought it was big, but everything looks big on the ultralight. And then, yeah. So we're gonna stop by Turtle Rock and try and get some food and some liquid in us. All right. See you guys next time.